Hi everyone, in this tutorial video, we will see how to export contacts in the CRM. So first of all, from the left hand side menu, we will click on CRM and from the drop down, we will select contacts. And over here in the right hand side menu, we will click on the three dots and then select export. Now in this step, you can choose the contact fields you want to export, such as the WhatsApp profile name, the WhatsApp number, and you can also select additional required field. You can also include the custom fields and then click yes to proceed. So let's do it. Yes, proceed. Now once the export is completed, you can go back to CRM from the left hand side, then click on exports. Now over here we can see that we have successfully exported our contacts from the CRM and you can download them.